How to speak to your prospective customers' pain points. Hi, I'm Cecilia Elise Wallin from Inventivity, the channel where we combine inventiveness with felicity. I really don't like talking about pain points. I really don't like the word pain points. I prefer the word problems. I would like to rephrase this common phrase, how to speak to your prospective customers' pain points, to how to help your customer, how to show your customer how you can help her or him. I really don't like the phrase pain points, because when I read ads or emails from companies where they ask me, are you struggling with this and that? Then I feel repelled, because I don't want anyone to tell me that I am struggling, and I feel that I am not struggling with anything. Maybe I have problems, but I am flourishing and I'm not struggling. I don't want anyone to tell me that I am struggling. So I think that phrase, are you struggling with this and that, is a repelling phrase. Don't use that phrase. Instead, maybe you can say that, let's say that your prospective customers, they want to reach a larger audience. Then you can say, a lot of people want to reach a larger audience, and I have helped a lot of people to reach a larger audience and to thrive. And then I will explain how I can help the prospective customer I am talking to or sending an email to, how I can help them as well. So don't use the phrase pain points, use the phrase problems, and don't put too much emphasis on the problem. Put the emphasis on how you can help your customer and on how the customer will feel when she or he has achieved her or his goals. Put the emphasis on the success, not on the problems. Put the emphasis on how you will help your customer and on how your customer will succeed. That's all for this video. You're welcome to subscribe and click on the like button and write a comment below. I hope you will watch more videos in this course, Professional Copywriting Made Easy. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!